Okay, when we're looking at the neck, it's really important to get good flexibility in the neck, and we all like that. But I'd like to look at it in terms of flossing the nerves. We've got all this real estate on the side of the neck that's going to be innervating and going down the arms. So if I want to do a floss that's going to have an effect down the arms, I'm going to want to do something on the neck. So I'm going to start off, first of all, just doing a little bit of lateral flexion to see where I go. And those are my restrictions. I appear to be a little tighter over here. And again, I don't really care because I'm going to have to do both sides. I want to get a floss that's going to affect both of my arms. Now, I can't think about doing the neck without thinking about my arms. So what I'd like to do is show a floss that's going to have an effect on the nerve supply for the serratus anterior and for the latissimus dorsi, as well as the lateral sides of the neck. And I'd like to entitle this The Chicken Dance and You. So what we're going to be doing, again, when we do the chicken dance, we're all familiar with that. I'm not going to quite mess up my thumbs that way. I'm just going to put my hands over here. But what I'm going to do in order to help the neck is I'm going to floss by bringing this up and this down. And I put those two movements together like this. And I try to do it nice and slow. And I do 10 of these. I'm at number 3. Here's 4. So this is something that most of your patients are going to have an easy time doing. They might have a problem moving their neck when they haven't added the chicken dance move to it. But when they add the chicken dance move to it, it's going to make a really good difference. So that's what that looks like. Now I'm going to switch to the other side. So this isn't anything that patients find difficult at all. In fact, they're really thrilled to see the change that it makes. So I don't think I've ever had anybody complain about doing the chicken dance. I've had a few people worried when I told them it was the chicken dance. I'm going to call that 10. I absolutely don't know. But let's see. That's how well the neck moves right now. So that was the chicken dance. That's really helpful for the neck. But if I... Thank you so much.